Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Come back with me again, Nur Hazwani binti Abdul Halim, with the chapter 11, the managing knowledge. The slide we will discuss chapter 11, subtopic 11.3, what are the major types of knowledge work system and how do they provide value for firm. Subtopic 11.3, it have a four main title, which is what are the major types of knowledge work system and how do they provide value for firms, knowledge workers and knowledge work, requirements of knowledge work system, and example of knowledge work system. This slide I will explain about what are the major types of knowledge work system and how do they provide value for firm. As you know, the enterprise-wide knowledge system we have just described provide a wide range of capabilities that can be used by many if not all the workers and groups in an organization. Firms also have a specialized system for knowledge workers to help them create new knowledge and to ensure that this knowledge is properly integrated into the business. This slide is explained about knowledge worker and knowledge work, who is primarily create knowledge and information for the organizations. It is include like researchers, designers, architects, scientists, and engineers. Second point is knowledge workers usually have a high levels of education and membership in professional organizations and are often asked to exercise independent judgment as a routine aspect of their work. Knowledge workers perform the three key roles that are critical to the organizations and to the managers who work with the organization as a keeping the organization current in knowledge as is developed in the external world like in technology, science, social tools, and the arts. Serving as internal consultant regarding the areas of their knowledge, the change taking place and opportunities. And the last one is acting as change agent as evaluating, initiating, and promoting change project. This slide is about requirements of knowledge work system. As you can see on your left slide at your screen, it have 5 square shape that is the meaning of knowledge workers really on official system such as a work processes, voicemail, email, video conferencing, and scheduling system which are designed to increase worker productivity in the office. The mind map that I show you is knowledge work system requires strong links to external knowledge base in addition to specialized hardware and software. Knowledge workers also require highly specialized knowledge work system with a powerful graphic, analytical tools, and communication and document management capabilities. They typically features user-friendly interface that enable users to perform needed tasks without having to spend a great deal of time learning how to use the system. Knowledge workstation often are designed and optimized for the specific task to be performed. For example, a design engineer requires a different workstation setup than a financial analysis. The last slide is example of knowledge work system. Major knowledge work application include CAD system and virtual reality system for simulation and modeling. It have 5 main titles. We'll go through one by one. The first is computer aided design. CAD automates the creation and revision of design using computer and sophisticated graphic software. Using a CAD, the designer need only make a physical prototype towards the end of the design process because the design can be easily tested and changed on the computer. The ability of CAD software to provide design specification for the tooling and manufacturing processes also save a great deal of time and money while producing a manufacturing process with far fewer problems. The second is 3D printing, so known as additive manufacturing, which uses machine to make solid object layer by layer from specification in a digital files. 3D printing is currently used for prototyping, custom manufacturing, and fashion items with small production runs. Today, 3D printers can handle materials including plastic, titanium, and human cartilage and produce fully functional components including batteries, transistors, protective devices, LEDs, and other complex mechanisms. The third is virtual reality. VR systems have visualization, rendering, and simulation capabilities that go far beyond those of conventional CAD systems. In many visual reality systems, the users don special clothing, headgear, and equipment depending on the applications. The clothing contains sensors that record the user's movement and immediately transmit that information back to the computer. The fourth is augmented reality. AR is a related technology for enhancing visualizations. AR provided as live direct or indirect view of a physical real-world environment whose elements are augmented by visual computer-generated imagery. Medical procedures like image-guided surgery, where data acquired from computerized tomographic and magnetic resonance imaging (MRI). The last is virtual reality application developed for the web used as a standard called Virtual Reality Modeling Language (VRML). VRML is a set of specifications for interactive 3D modeling on the web that can organize multiple media types, including animations, image, and audio to put users in a simulated real-world environment. That's all from me. Hope you guys understand with my presentation and you got a new knowledge from this topic. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.